Hey guys, welcome back. This is Michael. I've been getting a lot of complaints lately that you can't run or use Linux Mint without Flatpak. As soon as you delete Flatpak, the software manager that's the central app store no longer starts. Linux Mint and LMDE are affected. I have had a look at this and here's my suggestion on how you can solve the problem. Let's get it started. Some simply don't like software containers. Linux Mint itself does not like the snap container format from Ubuntu and is making efforts to exclude it from its own distro. Instead, they are focusing on the competitor solution Flatpak. So now it seems I have viewers who also have problems with Flatpak. It doesn't matter which problems. So it's perfectly legitimate to have and pursue your own ideas. However, there is now a dependency between the software manager and Flatpak that is some kind hard-coded. You won't see anything of this at first, but you will notice it if you remove Flatpak and then want to start the software manager because nothing happens. In the terminal, when we started with mint install, however, we get a meaningful message: gi.repository glib gerror blah 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 blah. So something is expected that cannot be found. In the first step, I tried to simply leave the folder empty, but that didn't work anyway. The error persisted. At this point, a big warning to those of you who want to remove Flatpak from a Linux Mint system. Keep your hands off the command sudo apt remove Flatpak. This will lead you to exactly this error situation, at least at the time of creating this video at the end of May, beginning of June 2024. You can of course do without the update manager and do everything in the terminal with apt commands in future. That works. But if you want to use the graphical tools, that would be no consolation for you. So let's take a look at my proposed solution. We can remove hardwired queries, but there's a high risk that an update later reactivates the problem and then we would be in the same situation again. So no good idea. We do something else. We work around the problem. We can't delete Flatpak without a regression just outlined. So we first delete all installed Flatpak containers and then we kick the flathub repository off the system. This leaves the Flatpak binary installed, but it is inactive and can no longer install anything without a package source. This is my compromise suggestion for you. If you don't like, then you probably have only the option to delete Flatpak via apt and working with apt commands in a terminal in future. That will work and maybe some people will accept this bitter pill. If you are not so hard-boiled and would rather follow my compromise suggestion, then please open the terminal now and enter the following commands. To display the currently installed Flatpak containers, enter the following command: flatpak list. And here you see only one container is installed. This is the Mint Y Orange Flatpak theme. You can see I have the orange theme activated, and because of that, for Flatpak apps, the same theme will be downloaded and provided to the system. I recommend taking a screenshot to document the initial state. Perhaps you will change your mind later and then you will know what you need to reinstall first. Now it's time to get down to business. Delete Flatpak containers and remove the repository. Type in flatpak uninstall --all flatpak remote delete flathub and then press enter. It will now ask you if you want to proceed. Yes, I want to proceed, and go on. I have to enter my password and that's it. Now let's do some checks. Flatpak list again and we see there is no theme installed anymore. And now we check the repositories: Flatpak, remotes. And you see there is no repository available. I also put all the commands in the video description. You can copy and paste it from there. It is therefore not necessary to enter it manually. As soon as you execute the command just mentioned, the Flatpak containers are deleted and the Flatpak package source is removed. If you want to use Flatpak again at later point in time, the screenshot taken earlier may be helpful. With this compromise, on the one hand, Flatpak is virtually dead on the system, and on the other hand, the door is not closed for good. The Linux Mint developers can tell you how this hard coding comes about. I find it fundamentally unattractive, but at the same time uncritical. That's probably because I use Flatpak. However, I could imagine that this is a fault that will be fixed at a later date via an update. Perhaps not the hard coding, but rather making this a catchable error. And if you like Linux content, then now is the right time to subscribe to the channel for free. Give the video a thumbs up, and with the bell activated, you'll be informed immediately when a new video appears on my channel. I hope this solution could help you. Do you have a better solution? Then let me know. Just write it in the comments. And the same goes for your thoughts on this, and then we can discuss. Thank you for the kind attention, ladies and gentlemen. There are 2 more videos in the end card that might also interest you. Stay healthy and have a great week. See you soon. Peace.